How does an earthquake affect a structure? Earthquake load. When the ground beneath a structure jerks back and forth during an earthquake, it is called earthquake load. Earthquake loads push and pull horizontally on a structure. Let's try it. There was more rattling and shaking than this poor structure could handle. Let's see how to strengthen it. Shear walls. Solid walls of reinforced concrete or masonry called shear walls have great stiffness in the horizontal direction. They resist loads that push or pull horizontally on a structure. Let's try it again. Shear walls can handle being pushed, pulled, rattled, and shaken during an earthquake. They're a great way to strengthen a structure prone to earthquake load.